Today, Kane Footwear announced a new shoe that just launched to the great lineup of the Kane Revive Recovery shoe for men, women, and kids with a great color selection. And I've loved wearing mine well over the past year for after hikes and running errands and even just going for a walk. And so they created this new shoe. It's called the Revive AC. And so what they've created here is a shoe that will not only work for the summer, but also in the winter and snow. And they made it into an insulated shoe that's also waterproof. And they've also enhanced the sole of the shoe to help with anti-slipping as well. So I just wanted to introduce you to this shoe if you haven't heard about it yet. And if you, own the Kane Revive shoe or thinking about getting it, and I'll be sure to put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section. And if you're interested in getting it and don't mind using my link, that would be great. So here you could see, got some great new videos, and this is a new website, by the way, for the company, and it's really well done. So it's going to come in 3 colors. It's going to come in this white black, this white gum, and this Dune. And I think if I were to get the shoe, it would be the Dune. And so it's got, by the way, the shoe's got a ton of reviews and people just absolutely love it. And also when you come to the website, if you also want to go to the other shoe, they also have a great color selection, and including colleges. So let's go ahead and dive in and talk about the shoe. And here we go. All right, so first of all the sizes are available right now. If you know Kane shoes, they do sell out quickly. So if you want to get one of these colors and get them soon, especially with the winter here, this will be a great time to get it. So you could see they've added this insulation part to the shoe, and they also have, looks like, this reflective material. And it mentions here, as far as the material, it's made of a bio-based closed cell restore foam. The shoe don't absorb moisture, so they're just as functional in water as they are on land, and they're quick drying. And also, as far as here, it mentions as well that it has, thanks to a durable all-weather outsole, water and mud repellent exterior, and a knit thermal cuff. So that's what it has, this thermal cuff. The Revive AC is engineered for warmth, protection, and grip, all with our signature commitment to comfort and sustainability. And just like their shoe, which is fantastic, actually, let me share first here about their rugged sole. So a rugged natural rubber outsole is certified slip resistant, and you could see this certification here. So I'm not sure what that is, but it's some certification for the slip resistant. And here you could see it mentions about the enclosed closed cell restore foam upper blocks water, dirt, and grime for active recovery in any environment. So very cool. And one of the things which I love about the shoe, and a lot of people do as well, is they've got these nodes on the footbed, and it just helps with blood flow. It feels great. So I think they really have created just a great shoe here, and reviews are coming in, and you could check those out. And these are obviously people that have had an opportunity to test the shoe before it has come to market, and I have not yet ordered them. So there you go. So check it out today. Again, this is the all-new Revive AC shoe by Kane Footwear, and as there's new colors and anything else I can share, I will definitely share those with you. And let me know if you end up getting them, how you like them. And again, my referral link will be in the description as well as in the comment section. So thanks so much, and I hope you might be excited to get these, as I am definitely tempted to order a pair for myself. Oh, and one last thing, being that they're $120, you get free shipping since they're over $100. So keep that in mind as well. All right, have a great one. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.